Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong dito, mga kapatid kong star viewers? Welcome back. I love you guys. And kamusta kayong lahat dito? I hope everybody are doing well. So, alamin natin itong reading ninyo, mga kapatid. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Kamusta ang ating mga collective at this moment? So, again guys, as a reminder, this is collective reading, general reading. Huwag nyo lang po lahatin. Kunin nyo lang kung saan naayon sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung hindi naman, para yun sa iba. Huwag lang po tayong bitter. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, kamusta ang ating mga collective? So, we have here the devil in reverse. Okay. Narcissist, you could be dealing about narcissist or yung iba dito sa inyo. Okay, I'm getting an energy of a warning. Okay. Warning mga kapatid, you might be meeting a new person. A new person na, I don't know, third party situation. Baka may magpapakilala sa inyo na single siya and baka ma-attach ka sa taong ito. Yung iba naman, sabihin natin na hindi ka naman agad basta-basta ma-attach sa taong ito, ano? Kasi the devil is in reverse. So, hindi ka basta-basta ma-attach sa taong ito, but this person might trying hard to get you. Makulit, magpapasexy, magpapagwapo. Wala tayong gender dito ha. Everybody are, ano tayo dito? Lahat pare-parehas. Kahit na lalaki, babae ang lumalabas dito, it doesn't have to be the gender here. Basta kunin nyo lang guys kung saan naayon sa inyong sitwasyon dito. Yeah. And again, you will be meeting a new person na it could, I don't know, baka masasaktan ka lang ng taong ito. So, it's a warning. Yeah. Huwag kayo magpapauto. I know for sure yung iba dito, sa sarili mo, hindi po ako basta-basta nauuto, madam, kapatid. Yes. Psychic po ako, nakakaramdam po ako, or hindi po ako basta-basta napapauto, something like that. But, this person is coming towards you surprisingly. Magugulat ka na lang, baka mahuhulog ang loob mo sa taong ito. Whatever this person do, this person might be trickery, baka may ma-attach sa inyo dito, like again as a warning, huwag kang basta-basta ma-attach sa taong ito. Baka dahil sa huli, masaktan ka lang ng taong ito. So this is a big warning sa mga kapatid kong star viewers, whoever this person, alamin natin itong taong darating na baka siyang mananakit ng iyong puso or ma-offend ka, betrayal, liar. So, alamin natin, who is this person? Okay, let's find out more about this person. Who is this person? Spirit Guide Angels, sino itong taong winarningan ng ating mga collective? Itong bagong darating or, I don't know, yung iba dito sa inyo, nakilala nyo na. And maybe you don't really trust this person, but baka yung iba dito sa inyo, either ma-scam or biglang mahulog ang loob mo sa taong ito. Dahil ang taong ito ay very attractive. This person could be fire sign. Yeah, this person could be Capricorn, fire sign, or air sign. Okay. Or Aries, yung iba dito. Kasi the bottom is the Empress. Lapitan ka. Lalapitin at lalapitin ka ng taong ito. You could be a single mom, a boss, negosyante, attractive, nurturing, mahilig sa mga bata. Yeah. Creativity, beauty, like again, maganda ka, guwapo. Yes, sorry guys ha. At this moment, you are attracting this person coming towards you. Yes. Wala siyang pakialam, no? Na kesyo kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao. At then again, this person buo ang kanyang loob. This person is very confident. Napaka-confident ang taong ito para lapitan ka, kausapin ka. Alamin natin kung ano magiging sadya ng taong ito. Bakit warning sa ito ni universe. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Ano ang rason bakit lalapit ang taong ito sa ating mga collective na warning? Okay. The moon. Hidden. Like again, this person's coming out very mysterious. Secretive. Okay. Yeah. Like again, baka magulat ka na lang ang taong ito ay ma-attach ka. Masikreto ang taong ito. Maybe this is a hidden feeling. Yeah. Tinatago na, matagal niya na siguro itong tinatago itong lihim sa inyo. I don't know, third party, maybe if you are in a relationship, baka there could be a news, yung iba dito. A news from, about this person na may third party, na may iba. Dalawa, tatlo kayo, maybe you are dealing with a chick boy, chick girl. So, warning and dapat magiging aware kayo sa inyong paligid kung sino itong kinakaharap ninyo. See? Stay strong. Could be an emperor or a king of swords. Yes, you are dealing with a person na napaka-attractive. Marami nang nililigaw sa kanya, marami nakagusto sa kanya, marami nakatingin sa kanya. And be careful about this person na darating because this person is really attractive or boss energy, matapang, matalino. Whoever this person is, mag-ingat-ingat ka dahil baka marami na siya na biktima. Maybe this person's trickery, sinungaling, like again, ma-offend ka dito. Whatever this person do, just be careful. Okay. Yeah. Maybe this person just want to, I don't know, para bang, ang taong ito is, this could be the past, yung iba dito, exes. Maybe you are longing, you know what? Maybe you're longing for this person, it could be an exes. Guys, kung ayaw mong bumalik itong taong ito sa buhay mo, stop thinking about this person. Kasi the more na sumasagi siya sa isipan mo, you are letting that energy, the vibe, nalalapit siya sa iyo or magkakaroon pa muli ng reconciliation. Kasi this could be related again, past, meron itong past situation, there will be like a new person. Like again guys, mix po ang energy dito na a warning para sa inyo. Baka ang taong ito, married, committed, babalik, may planong balikan ka, kausapin ka, and meron sa inyo dito, ayaw mo na sa kanya. Okay, kung ayaw mo sa taong ito makipagbalikan sa inyo, third party, chick boy, chick girl, whoever this person, liar, betrayal, friendship, relationship, exes, ex-husband, ex-partner, kung ayaw mong makabalik ang taong ito, stop thinking, i-block mo siya. Like sa social media, sa isipan mo. Kasi somehow, you are attracting this person back towards you. Kung ayaw mo na siya bumalik sa buhay mo, block that person's energy. Stop thinking about this person. Kung pwede, mag-pray ka na lang na, universe, please keep me away from this person. Ayoko na pong masaktan muli. Yung iba naman dito, like again, mayroon dito magbabalik. Once this person, siguro divorce, and the relationship, this person's coming back. Baka sa pagbalik ng taong ito, married ka, in a relationship ka, or bawal, hindi pwede. But this person, baka hindi mo ma-insist itong taong ito dahil yung energy niya, no? Napaka-confident ng taong ito. Ang lakas ng hatak niya. Like again, fire sign, malakas dito. Very confident, energetic ang taong ito. Yeah. This person is like coming back, hasty, magulat ka sa kanya. Like again, guys, you are attracting this person. Yeah. And you know why? Kaya nag-attract. That's why this person's coming back. Maybe this person sees you from afar or hearing, no? Narinig niya siguro yung mga balita tungkol sa inyo and para bang nag-admire siya palagi or the more na may narinig siya tungkol sa iyo, it could be spy, ini-spy ka siguro ng taong ito, the more naman na nag-urge siya na magbabalik, na magkakaroon siya ng idea na magbabalik siya sa buhay mo. So it's up to you guys. Like again, as a warning, if you don't want to be in pain again, unless this person might want to reconcile to fix the problem, maayos kayong muli. It could be for the sake of your children kung may anak na kayo. This is very specific. Or siguro magbabalik siya para mabuo ang inyong pamilyang muli. Kaya lang, wala, may third party, nasaktan ka na talaga. Hanggang ngayon, masakit pa rin sa iyo. Ayaw mo na siyang balikan o makalapit pa sa buhay mo. Dahil tapos na. But this person is trying their best, no? Para magpagwapo, magpaganda, whatever this person do. Yeah. This person is still attractive. Baka ma-attract ka pa rin sa kanya. Sabihin natin na, hindi na, oy, okay, hanggang salita ka lang, kapatid, pagka andyan na sa harapan mo yung taong ito, riregaluhan ka ng maraming regalo, sweetness overload. Kaya lang, itong taong ito, maraming admirer. Yeah, malakas talaga yung, niya, no, yung, like again, napaka-attractive ng taong ito. Itong taong makaka-deal mo. So, just be careful and do not let anybody to betray you. Or maybe it happened already, yung iba. Baka mangyari muli. Like again, guys, remember the past. The past is past, but do not let the past it's happening again in the future. Huwag niyong hayaan na mangyaring muli ito. Itong mga heartaches, betrayal. Yes. Alamin natin kung anong intensyon ng taong ito. Bakit warning? Okay, Spirit Guardians, ano ang intensyon ng taong ito sa ating collective kung bakit siya magbabalik? Ang totoong intensyon niya? Okay, Four of Swords, healing. This person wants to heal, maybe correct the pain. Kasi meron sa inyo dito, wala na, ayaw mo na, pagod ka na. Maybe the same thing from this person, pagod na rin siguro siya. And that's why this person want to heal. Meron itong gustong, somehow is like, this person is drawn. Kaya siguro may, energetically, you guys are drawn to each other. Siguro meron ditong, like again, ex-husband, ex-partner, family. May pamilya na nang nabuo. Like again, guys, may relationship tayo dito, partnership, friendship, family. Yeah. Kung wala kayong pag-uusap, kasi meron itong walang pag-uusap. Marami dito, most of it, walang pag-uusap, walang communication, but this person's coming back. This person is drawn. Maybe this person is drawn to correct the mistake. Yung pagkakamali niya. Yeah. Siguro itong taong ito, yung pananahimik niya, lately, wala siyang communication, wala siyang sinasabi sa inyo, but soon, yeah, bigla na lang puputok ang taon. Nako, I'm sorry guys natawa tuloy ako. I don't know what is this. Putok. I'm sorry. Baka bigla na lang mag-burst out ang taong ito. No? Sa nararamdaman niya. Hindi niya makontrol ang kanyang sarili at lalapit siya para sa iyo. Kausapin ka, wants to fix the problem. A secret, kasi nanahimik siya, matagal na kayong walang pag-uusap, walang communication, the silence between the two of you is soon to be over. Maybe it's time to face each other. The question is, are you guys ready? Ready ka na ba, kapatid, para harapin ang taong ito? Whoever this person is, na darating, magbabalik, magpaparamdam ang taong ito. Alamin natin kung yes, magpaparamdam siya para buuhin ang pamilyang nabuo, maybe family member, or this could be an ex-spouses, ama ng inyong mga anak, yung iba, or maybe this person is coming to, I don't know, like ex-relationship, like again, relationship, no? Pag once na makaalis siya sa kanyang karelasyon, this person is going to approach you, maybe offer you family, marriage, having child with him or with her. Maybe this person is like, yeah. This could be you from the third party situation, no? Yung iba naman dito, or siguro itong taong ito from the third party situation, and yeah, maybe both side din ang iba dito. I'm sorry guys ha, marami kasi ako nakukuha ang energy. Baka both side nagkaroon ng mga hindi magandang karelasyon, and then once na magkita kayo, it's up to you. Maybe there's like a soulmate or twin flame situation dito. Kasi ang twin flame is in and out relationship, magulo. Once this person, sabihin natin na karelasyon mo siya noon, kaya lang hindi naging kayo, nagpakasal siya sa iba, ikaw naman nagpakasal ka rin sa iba, or hanggang ngayon single ka pa rin, but then once this person is being released from the past or from their current situation, partnership, babalik at babalik siya. Like again, there's like a rope, no? Or a string attached sa nararamdaman ng taong ito, or about like your soul bond. Until now, this person is still attached. This could be karmic situation. Kaya magbabalik ang taong ito. Yeah. You guys are continuing healing, focusing on yourself, your beauty, your career, your well-being. Yes. Queen of Pentacles. Self-care, self-love, away from trouble. Kaya lang again guys, mag-ingat-ingat ka sa taong ito magbabalik. Okay? Do not let this na mangyaring muli. Make sure, manigurado ka muna. Yes. Why this person? Mag-research ka before you commit with this person. Creating a new family or creating this new beginning. Yeah. Yung iba dito sa inyo, like again, you might be longing for this person, or you two are longing each other, kaya mayroon pang energy nagtatide sa inyo, ano? Yeah. Kaya mayroon tumalakas dito yung soul bond connection. Baka may, anong tawag nito? Like again, soulmate, karmic, or twin flame. Yes, may pagbabalikan dito. Something has to be fixed. It's up to you if you want this person back again or accept this person. Like again, if you want a new relationship, sabihin natin new relationship from the new person. Yeah, you need to let go the past experience. And make sure, bago kayo magtanggap ng panibagong karelasyon, make sure walang red flag ang taong kakaharapin ninyo or bago nyo makilala. At sa mga may committed na, happy family, okay ka naman na, yes, you might be meeting a new person, kahit na committed ka na, married ka, or bawal. Yes, do not let this person to get into your life. Kasi maraming masisira sa buhay mo. Ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, yeah, trust will be broken. So stay away from this new person para hindi masira ang iyong pamilya, ang trust ng iyong pamilya, ang iyong mga anak. Okay? So, relax ka lang, do what you can do your own thing. Kailangan mo siguro matulog, mag-relax. Self-care, karamihan sila dito, focus sa self-care, yeah, self-love, and advice na tayo ni universe. Okay. Spirit Rangers, advice, final advice at mga collective. So, yeah, warning guys, be careful about this person. You know what, alamin pa natin yung initials ng taong ito na warning para sa inyo. Spirit Angels, who is this person na warning sa ating mga collective? We have here number 6, letter L, I, R, V, and C. Ano pa? Another R, N, ano pa? And I, or 1, number 1. Siguro may age gap sa inyo. Maybe this person's around 60, 61. Maybe this person was born during, I don't know, the 6, no? Something about 6. Yeah. Again, age gap. Maybe this person, June, month of June, or January. Or maybe this person is like a 61, senior, malapit na maging senior citizen. Ano pa? Number. Okay. What else we can? Letter S and C. Another C sa taong ito. Okay. Sign about this person. Who is this person? Okay. Spirit can just sign about this person. Who is this person? Sign na warning sa ating mga collective. Okay, the Star. Yes, this person might be well-known. Boss energy, mapera, habulin, guwapo, maganda, sexy, may pagka-talented, attractive, I don't know, mahilig sa garden, mahilig mag-inom, mahilig mag-aksaya ng oras ng ibang tao. So be careful about that. Or baka mahilig to sa inuman party ang taong ito, magandang pangangatawan, I don't know, maybe ang taong ito laging natutulog, mahabang buhok, maganda ang labi, ang mata, ang ilong, guwapo. Yes, basically napakagwapo, maganda ng taong ito. Or para sa inyo, attractive. Maraming nakagusto sa taong ito. Boss energy, may pera, the Star, Aquarius. Maybe this person is born Aquarius. So be careful and ingat-ingat kayo sa taong ito. Alamin niyo muna, kilatisin niyo muna kung sino tong taong ito at anong intention niya para sa inyo. So advice ng universe. So we have here, see, give your relationship a chance. Oh my God. Kanina, kakatanong ko lang din kanina kung it's up to you if you want to give a chance to this person. Maybe, again, karmic, soulmate. Work on your partnership. May pagbabalikan dito. Maybe this person is going to get back to you, reconciliation, para magkaroon ng, passion, chances pa sa inyong dalawa. Maybe you are given a chance to correct the mistakes. Kahit friendship, whatever relationship, or siguro, like again, ex-husband, ex-spouse, para mabuo muli itong pamilya ninyo. Like again, meron itong longing. You could be the one longing about this person. The more naglulong ka sa kanya, thinking about this person, you are attracting this person. So it's up to you guys kung tanggapin mo siyang muli. Alright? So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. I do hope na nakaresonate kayo sa reading na ito. Nag-enjoy kayo. Please feel free to leave your comment below. And again, collective general reading po ito mga kapatid. Huwag niyo pong lahatin yung mga nababanggit ko dito. Kunin nyo lang kung saan parte ang resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi naman, para yun sa ibang kapatid natin dito nanonood. Alright? I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next reading. Bye and thank you.